The complete guide to home ownership costs. Hi, my name is Mark Hewitt and I'm with Maryland Real Estate Professionals and RE/MAX Realty Plus right here in Central Maryland, and we have Central Maryland covered. And I want to share with you something important about the true costs of home ownership, because understanding the full picture helps you make the best decision. Most buyers focus on the mortgage payment. The successful home ownership means that you're planning for the complete picture: insurance, taxes, maintenance, utilities, and those inevitable repairs. Now here's the good news. Home ownership is still one of the most powerful wealth building tools available when you plan correctly. So what's the key? Budget for more than just your mortgage. Insurance rates and taxes are going to rise over time. Major systems like your roof, your HVAC, water heaters, they're all going to need to be replaced eventually. So here's what the smart buyers do. They create a dedicated repair fund separate from your emergency fund and have automatic transfers going into that fund every month. They keep a cash reserve after closing, and they buy with a margin built into their budget. That margin is what separates homeowners who build wealth from those who feel financially stressed. True affordability isn't what the lender approves you for. It's what lets you sleep well at night knowing that you've been prepared. When you budget realistically from the start, home ownership becomes exactly what it should be: a wealth building asset and a lifestyle that you'll love. If you're ready to understand your complete home ownership budget, then let's create a plan that sets up for you long-term success. Hakuna Matata. It means no worries for all your real estate days. Be sure to check out this month's blog at www.mdreprosblog.com. This month's topic is the true cost of home ownership, what you're going to pay beyond the mortgage. And don't forget to check out our monthly newsletter at www.mdreprosnewsletter.com. It's filled with helpful tips and advice when it comes to buying and selling real estate, fun things to do around the DMV, and of course, lifestyle things that you can do to be healthy and have fun. Hundreds of Maryland homeowners and home sellers have trusted myself and the Maryland Real Estate Professional team with their most valuable negotiations, their homes. We look forward to earning your trust as well. Have a wonderful week. Please keep us in mind if you hear of anybody looking to buy or sell real estate. We love your referrals. And don't hesitate to call at all if you have any questions regarding real estate. Have a great week. Talk to you soon. Take care.